x sine x dx. Bravo! This question is somehow like, how are you going to do this? Because when you are integrating this, it's continue. So there's a way that we can eradicate this out. Is that what? Let's go to what? Don't forget, you have to what? You have to know your u and your what and your dv. So this is, let's move. The formula for what? For integration by part is given what? The integral of what? The integral of what? Of u dv equal to uv minus what? Integral of what? Of v the what? The u. That is it. Actually, I told you earlier on in our early class that what? Le'at. You have to consider this. If you look at our function, do you have log function? No. Inverse function? No. Ordinary function? No. Exponential function? Yes. So your exponential function stands as what? As your what? As your u. Now our u is equal to what? Exponential function. Therefore, our what? Du over dx is same to what? Exponential x. Now our what? Our du equal to what? Equal to exponential x. Exponential x what? Dx. So this, instead of writing it in a non process, I can write it as what? As this what? Our du equal to what? Our du equal to what? This the what? Dx. So this is our du. Now let's move to what? Our what? Dv. Our dv is what? Sine x the what? Dx. Now by what? By integrating this, what am I going to have? When this you differentiate, why this your dv you what? You integrate. If I should integrate this, what am I going to have? I'm going to have what? If it is great sine, you have what? Minus cos. So my v equal to what? Minus cos x. Bravo! Let's take this in all this into our formula. What is our question? Our question is what? Integral with exponential x sine what? Sine x dx equal to what? What's our u? Exponential x. What is our v? Minus cos x minus the integral of what? What is our v? Our v is what? Minus cos x. By taking your minus outside, you have what? Plus cos x. So what is your what? Du. Our du is now what? Exponential x dx. Can you see it? Now this have already lead us to what? To something x again. So you have to what? I have to what? Take this as my what? As my what? Let's do it like this. Actually, the most simple method of what? I can say what? This equal to what? Minus exponential x cos x minus exponential x cos x plus what? I. This is what? Equation what? 1. That is, therefore, my I is same as what? The integral of what? Of cos x exponential what? X the what? The x. Now we have to what? We have to integrate by part again. Now by integrating this by part again, what are you going to have? Our u is what? Is our exponential function, because this come before what? It come before what? Our three function. Now our u equal to what? Exponential function exponential x. This our du equal to what? Exponential x the what? The x. The exponential keep on repeating itself. So next one you move to what? Your dv. Our dv is what? Cos x the what? The x. This is actually. Now our v equal to what? Sine x. Bravo! Now that is our I, which is equal to what? Integral of what? Cos x exponential cos x exponential x dx equal to, what is our u? Our u is what? Our u is what? Exponential x. What is our v? Sine x minus, actually minus what? Minus the integral of your u of your v sine x and what? The what? The x, which is what? Exponential x the what? The x. I can write this as what? That integral exponential of what? X sine x minus the integral of what? Of exponential x sine x dx. Now this stands for what? Our I. Now what we do is what? Substitute the value of what? Substitute I into what? Into equation 1. As you can see, what is our equation 1? Our equation 1 is given as this. So we have what? Our equation 1 is what? Integral of what? Of x exponential x sine x dx equal to minus exponential x cos s plus our I, and this our y is in the root. Is in as this exponential x sine s minus exponential s sine x what? Dx. If you look at this now, just study this this our answer. This is it now. We have integral of exponential x sine x dx. We also have what? Minus over here. So what are you going to do is what? You just what? We just manipulate a little mathematical step, which is what? Add integral of what? Exponential x sine x dx to what? To both sides. As you can see, by adding this, I'm going to have something like this. I'm going to have something like that. What? Integral of what? Exponential x sine x dx plus what? Plus integral of what? Exponential x sine x the what? Dx equal to, because we have to add what? We have to have integral of what? Exponential x sine x dx to what? To both sides equal to what? We have what? We have minus exponential x cos x plus exponential x sine x. This is now minus the integral of what? What is the integral of what? Exponential x sine x dx plus integral of what? We have exponential x sine x to what? Dx. Actually now, this is what we have. If you look at it very well, we are going to have exponent this plus this plus 2 of what? 2 integral of what? Exponential x sine x the what? X equal to this guy hit this guy. So what? X. That was minus exponential x cos x plus exponential what? X sine what? Sine x. You can see it. We have what? We have almost arrived at what? At our final answer. Now, what next is what? What are you going to have next is what? Divide both sides by what? By 2. So what do you have? By dividing both sides by 2, I'm going to have what? I'm going to have what? The integral of what? Of exponential x sine x the x equal to what? Equal to what? This into the bracket minus cos what? Cos s plus what? Exponential s sine what? Sine x divided by what? 1 over 2 plus our constant, which was plus c. Now this is same thing as what? As that is the integral of what? Of exponential x sine x dx equal to what? 1 over 2 of what? Our exponential. This is our exponential. This is our exponential. Exponential what? X. Then you have what? You have sine x minus cos what? Cos s plus c. Therefore, this is our final answer. So the integral of what? Exponential x sine x dx equal to this. Can you see it? Math is very simple. Are you happy? Yeah. I can see that you're happy. Thanks for watching Mungro Math class. You can kindly subscribe on our channel to see what? To see our new videos.